Good morning. Happy Monday. So today you're going to take the warm-up here for 4-6. Then you're going to click on this 2-day assignment. You're going to start it today. You're going to finish it tomorrow. And we're going to open that, and here's the directions here. So today's 4-6. So what you're going to do is watch the video. So when you open it, it's Miss Ignacio explaining the whole entire activity for you. And you're going to stop at minute 16. But what I need you to do is highlight and make any annotations and comments that she asked you to make throughout this activity. Stop the video as needed and answer the activity questions. And you can stop at minute 16. So tomorrow you'll pick back up. You can start watching the video attached. And you'll start at minute 16 on this day, and you'll watch it to the very end, and you'll submit it. There's like 2 or 3 analysis questions at the end. You will need to answer those, and that's due on Tuesday. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be available by email and Schoology message. And again, the assignment looks like this. My computer is struggling. Anyway, it looks like this, and you'll fill this in as Miss Ignacio teaches it to you, and again, the link is right here in YouTube. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's go!